Hello everybody, today I'm going to read you a book called How Elephants Lost Their Wings. The story is about flying elephants, two gods, houses, peacocks, and banana trees. Once upon a time, elephants could fly. They flew everywhere. They flew high into the sky and down to the ground. They even looped the loop. Sometimes the gods flew on their backs. But the elephants were noisy. They yelled and crowed like roosters. Trees and houses shook below them. Cock-a-doodle-doo! They flew into trees and smashed them. They landed on houses and fell right through. Soon all the trees were broken and there were no houses left. We must stop them, said the gods, and they thought of a trick. They invited the elephants to a grand feast. The elephants ate and ate. When their tummies were full, they slept. The gods took away their wings. They gave them to the peacocks and the banana trees. The elephants were very cross. They shouted and they stomped. But they didn't get their wings back and they never flew again. Thank you for listening.